Hey, what is up, guys? Miss Digital here, and today we're going to be treading into a topic which has everything to do with e commerce. So, all of you hustlers out there who are running Facebook stores and Shopify stores, online marketers, social media marketers, and retailers, this one is for you. In this video, we'll go through the process of successfully connecting our Facebook store to our Shopify account. So, guys, as the first step to this process, you need to log into your Shopify account. And once the login process is done, you need to create a Shopify store. I'll show you right here. When you land on this page, you need to press this button on the top left, the menu button, and then you need to come down to this. You need to see these sales channels. Now here I have an online store created and a Facebook shop created already. If you haven't created once, you need to create these two before starting this process of connecting both of them. Regarding the creation, I'll creating creations of these stores. I'll make another video, and you could please stay tuned and look out for these. Now, once the stores are created, I need to go on my online store option, and here I have a tab called Preferences. Once I check this tab, the page loads up to show the home page title and all of your store. Here it is, the homepage title, the homepage meta description of my store. I haven't edited this information as I've just created the store. Okay, now here this is your Facebook pixel ID. This is like the link, you can say, which connects your Shopify account to your Facebook store. Now here I have some old ID already entered. I need to change that. I'm sorry, I just went back elsewhere. Okay, my free trial is about to end and I clicked on that by mistake. Okay, so here I need to change this. Yes, so I'll have to change this ID. Now, where do I obtain this ID? This, you need to log into your business manager account on Facebook. Once you create a Facebook shop, you get a business manager login from Facebook, and this is what the page looks like when you log into your business manager account of your store. This is what it looks like. Here it is. Here you have your page name. This is your page name out here, this one. Mine is Face of Attraction, for example. And yes, this is what your business manager login page looks like. Your home page looks like. Now to get going with the process, what we need to do is on the top left of this page you have this menu option. Click right on that, and here you have, in the menu you have an option of events manager. You need to check that. Once this page loads up, you are going to land on, yes, the data sources tab, and here right there you can see the name of my store. Here it is. The main page is yet to load. The menu has loaded already. Yes. Now with this, you will see my store's name right here. It says Face of Attractions Pixel. This Pixel ID is the ID which needs to be entered which needs to be copy pasted into my Shopify account. Again, I've gone somewhere else. Yes. This is the ID I need to copy paste. Copy. And then I go back to my Shopify account. Right here. Open this page. And once this loads up, I will paste my copied ID right here into the Facebook pixel. I change, and there it goes. Paste. Now once that's done, you need to save. You need to save this. Click on the Save tab. Now since my ID is the same which was the earlier one, I am not really getting the save option, but you will get the save option here. And once that's done, that's it. You're sorted. Both your stores are connected, and you can easily, uh, create products on Shopify and put them out on the store on Facebook. This is the benefit of connecting both these accounts. You can add payment options, you can add shipping options. This is the benefit. So guys, regarding creation of the pixel ID, creation of the Facebook store and all of that, I'm going to be making a new video pretty soon, and I'm sure that will help you more into this process. So this is Miss Digital signing off. Thanks a lot and have a great day ahead.